I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If your TikTok profile has been suspended, don't worry. You can take steps to recover it. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your device. Make sure you are logged in with the account that has been suspended. Step 2. Check for notifications. Look for any notifications from TikTok regarding your account suspension. This may provide insight into why your profile was suspended. Step 3. Submit an appeal. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. TikTok may take several days to review your case and respond. Check your email or app notifications for updates. Step 5. Follow up. If you haven't received a response after a week, consider following up with TikTok support through the Help Center. Provide any additional information they may need. Remember, staying respectful and providing clear information in your appeal can increase your chances of recovery. Good luck, and I hope your profile is back up soon.